Hey guys, it's your girl latesha-kharizma. Welcome back to my channel. To all my new KSQUAD members, welcome. Let's jump into this review. Okay y'all, so we are back for another installment of what's new in wigs with Sensationnel for the month of June. Before we get started, I am latesha-kharizma. I want you to go ahead and click that thumbs up button, and if you're not subbed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, girl, because we got to grow the KSQUAD, y'all. Y'all know I'm on a mission for 10K before 2024 is up. So go ahead and do your girl a favor, join my KSQUAD, and head on over to TikTok and Instagram if you are at it, and join over there too, girl. But anywho, let's go ahead and get into these new drops. I usually do this on my PC, but it is loading really slow, so I'm just going to go ahead and do this off my phone. So the first drop we're going to talk about is going to be the BUTTA Lace Pre-Cut Unit number 6. This one is really pretty, you guys. Define deep waves, no cut, no trim needed, wear and go. Glueless install with elastic band, blends with most skin tones. Ear-to-ear lace with wide 5-inch deep hand type parting area, pre-tweezed and pre-plucked with baby hair and smaller knots for a natural hairline. Okay, so the BUTTA Lace Pre-Cut is cute. I love the color on this one. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is going to be a 25-inch unit. It's going to be a wavy style with synthetic fiber. I'm looking for the color that's shown, and I believe it's the TH2 27613. Okay, this one's cute, but let's just keep it a buck. So the pre-cuts are definitely going to be hit or miss. The last one I reviewed was gorgeous, but it was definitely a miss for me. Depending on how these things are depending on how these units are manufactured and how they're woven together, it is going to really make a big difference when you stick this thing on your head, okay, girl? So I would teeter on the fence about getting any more pre-units. I mean, pre-cuts, I'm not for sure. Like the very first one I ever reviewed was like top notch, but that second one, I was like, what is going on? But I really do think this is gorgeous. The style is really giving me cute, you know, vibes, but I don't know, girl. We just gonna stay on the fence with this one because I don't know about them pre-cuts. Okay, so next up in the arsenal, we have the Kinky Edges 13x6 Kinky Curly 18-inch unit. So this one is gorgeous as well. Kinky curls with texture, 13x6 frontal. Kinky edges that matches your hair. Wear kinky edges as is or press with a hot comb for less texture, and this is also going to be glueless with an elastic wig band. Okay, so we already know the hype with the whole kinky edges thing. I do agree with Courtney Janine when she said that they should not call it kinky edges. I forget what she said they should be called, but not kinky edges, you know, like, girl, fine, pick something else. But either way, I have reviewed a few of these and I absolutely love them. Will I be reviewing this one? I'm not for sure yet. It looks like a lot of hair going on with this one, and it is summertime. I don't know if I'm going to be bothered with all that. And with this type of curl, they do snap back, and sometimes it kind of looks a bit thin, which could also turn into wiggy. So I'm not for sure. But either way, it's still a nice unit. Like, it's absolutely gorgeous. And I will say this, when they do the kinky edges with curly hair, it just looks weird because it's like curly hair with like kinky ass edges. I don't know what's going on with that. The last one I reviewed that was kind of curly, was kind of off, you know? So for me, I would prefer more of the yucky, straighter texture, kinky edge wigs, but that's just me because it just looks like it's off. It's like kinky edges, curly hair. It just, to me, it makes no sense. But y'all know I'm a picky something. You know, I'm picky. I'm getting up in age, you know, like I'm setting my ways, girl, okay? Us 47s, we set in our ways. So we are going to keep our eyes out for the Kinky Curly 18-inch. Leave me comments down below and let me know what you think of her. Are you going to be purchasing her? Do you want me to review her? Let me know, girl. Okay, next up we do have another Kinky Edges, and this is going to be the 13x6 Kinky Layer Blowout 20-inch unit. So once again, Kinky Edges that matches hair, glueless with an elastic wig band, 22-inch length, natural blowout, comes in 6 different colors. I think this one is gorgeous as well. I do not want to review this though because I don't like the style. So I do like that it's straight because, like I said, that will match the texture of the edges. But the style to me is not I like the flip out, like the blowout, but then like the last part, like the ends there, I just don't like that. Looking at the picture where she's turned to the side, that's pretty as well, but like I said, that style is just not for me. Depending on if Sensationnel will send me that one, I'll definitely review it. But as far as purchasing it, I probably won't do that. But it is a pretty unit nonetheless. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It's really natural looking. And I think Sensationnel does that perfectly when they really get those units to look natural like your hair. I think they are like the masters of that, like honestly. So I think it's a pretty unit. You guys let me know down below what you're thinking as well, and if you want to see me review her. Okay, so from the sheer muse category, we have Nora, classic shortcut with tapered back and voluminous top, salon inspired cut and color, ear to ear lace, 9 inches in length, HD lace for flawless bending, and a deeper and pre-plucked hairline. I think Nora is gorgeous. I think the color shown is so pretty. I believe that's going to be the copper color. Yeah, this is really cute. I love me a good short something. Okay, y'all already know what time it is with the shorts, but I'm not for sure. You would definitely have to play with her. You're definitely going to have to play with her to get her styled where you want her to. I think the back is gorgeous, but would this be for me? No, because when I do really short units like this, it can't be flat. They have to be spiked or something, you know, because my face is already so small and oval, and the shorts really work with like peanut head girls like me, but it just depends on the style. So I think that the cut is not going to frame my face well, but nonetheless, I still think she's a pretty unit, and I think she'll work for others, just not for my small face self, girl. So let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking of Nora and if you're going to be picking her up. And I also wanted to say this drop and Outre's drop for June were not really too exciting for me. I understand that, you know, they busy over there. They trying to come up with ideas for different, you know, styles and blah, blah, blah. But it just, it wasn't wowing me. This one isn't wowing me for right now. That's just my own opinion. But let's go ahead and jump right back into it. Kinky Edges Wide Part Kinky Wand Curl, 20 inches in length. Once again, glueless with elastic wig band, wide part HD lace with wide pre-plucked lace area with a 5-inch deep parting space. Okay, this one is gorgeous. I love the wand curls. Oh my goodness, I definitely want to review this. I don't know when she's coming out, hopefully this month, but whenever she drops, I'm definitely going to be on board, okay? I think this is gorgeous. I love the wand curls. It looks so natural. Once again, Sensationnel just knocks it out the park when it comes to natural looking units. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm praying that the density on this is going to be top notch. We don't want it to be too thin or too thick. We want it right there in the middle just to keep that density and that look natural, right? This is so gorgeous. It reminds me of the BUTTA unit. Oh my God, is it 5? I know 5 is more tightly coiled, but the texture of it, right? I have so many of those units. Oh my goodness, I always get compliments on those units. I mean, on that specific unit. But yeah, this is definitely giving that texture. So we are definitely going to keep our eyes out for her, and I'm definitely going to review it. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking as well. Okay, so back to the Butter Lace pre-cut units. This is going to be unit number 5. Once again, glueless install with an elastic wig band. This is going to be 20 inches in length, and the style is going to be curly, and I believe the color shown is going to be copper red. So this one for me is going to be a pass. The copper red color is an absolute no. That's an absolute no. I do not like how that part looks. It just looks really, y'all know me in the word wiggy. It looks really wiggy. The density looks a bit off. So I'm definitely not going to review her unless Sensationnel sends this to me. Praying that they're not. Yeah, because how am I going to review this? But anywho, I mean, y'all know I will make it work anyway. But still, it's not, usually when I see wigs that speak to me, they speak to me, right? This is not speaking to me at all. I don't know where they were going with this one. Maybe this will look better in like a number 1, but like I said, maybe it's just that color that's throwing everything off, but it isn't giving what I need it to give. Like, it's not giving what it needs to give, girl. Okay, so yeah, I'm definitely going to pass on that. You guys let me know down below what you're thinking of unit 5 and if you're going to be picking her up. Okay, another pre-cut unit. This is going to be unit number 4. Once again, well-defined curls with minimal layers and ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tie parting area. Ooh, the color. Yes, the color is popping. I believe it's copper pumpkin, if I'm not mistaken. This one, oh, I'm going to be on the fence. I'm going to be on the fence. I need to see a video with someone wearing this unit. because it reminds me of the unit I'm wearing right now. This is the Everywhere from OUTRE, and it reminds me of that. But I would have to see someone else review this before I dive in. I'm not for sure, but I'm on the fence. It's beautiful. I do love the layers. I love the density of the unit. But once again, when we are purchasing units, we don't know how they're gonna look or fit until we get them in our hands, right? So, on the fence, not for sure. You guys, let me know what you're thinking. Are you on the fence too? Let me know down below. Okay guys, so from the Dashley unit, we have the Dashley lace unit number 46. Loose ringlet curls with a looser flat top, lightly trimmed at the ends for a full curly long bob. Okay, this one is really pretty in the color Flamboyage Ash Blonde. Very, very gorgeous. It's already out now. I'm on the fence. It's the color, because there's too much dark. The root is it's too much of the dark root with this color. Would it look better in another color? I'm assuming it probably would. Maybe in the Flamboyage Auburn, or even a natural color as such as the 1B, or the 2. I love units like this because they can be quick, easy, throw on and goes, and headband wigs. So I'm a reviewer. The last Dashley I reviewed looked similar to this, and it got so many views on my YouTube channel. I got really great feedback from you guys with that one. So I may review this just for the heck of it. But I definitely won't be reviewing it in that color. I would have if there wasn't so much root on there, right? So I think I will review this. I'll just get her in another color, maybe do a YouTube short or a TikTok on this one. But let me know down below what you guys are thinking of Dashley 46. I think she's pretty. This is really great for the summer months. It's really lightweight and it looks fun. And we're all about fun over here at my channel, girl. So let me know down below what you're thinking and if you think I should review her. Okay, dolls, and lastly, we have the BUTTA unit 46. 3C4A texture with natural curls in the bob length. HD lace makes it virtually undetectable as it melts into all skin tones. It is 14 inches long. Curly style, and the cut is going to be layered. This one's pretty. I'm going to pass on her, but nonetheless, I think she's absolutely gorgeous. It just looks a bit too synthetic for me. Even if you were to brush it out, it would get bigger, but it would probably look worse. I'm not for sure. But once again, here for the short styles for the summer, and it does look like it's going to be a lightweight unit. So of course, oh yeah, and this one should be a little bit more affordable, but sometimes those BUTTA laces is a bit expensive, so we don't know yet. But either way, I do think the color is really pretty on this unit. I'm going to jump and say that the color probably is Beige Copper, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. But either way, it's really gorgeous. I want you guys to let me know what you're thinking about BUTTA unit 46 down below. If you already have her, because she is on wig websites right now. And if you do, let me know how she looks and feels on you, because I may just review it. I like to jump out the box sometime and just do some more abnormal stuff, you know. So let me know down below what you're thinking of BUTTA unit 46. Okay, dog, that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit the thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to sub and follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more beauty and hair related content. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay beautiful and blessed. Bye.